fidgeting with my best friend. Disclaimer, this is all fake. So, last time I offered you this cactus poppet, so you added your monkey noodle and your 2 spiky rings. Can you offer like one more small thing, because I really love my cactus poppet?
Well, since you really love it, I will offer you a couple small things.
Okay. Okay guys, I'm going on mute. So remember, last time I was trying to scam her. So I'm going to try to scam her for a bunch of things. Okay guys, let's unmute. So guys, like, I think you should add, did you add anything yet?
I'm thinking about what I should add.
Come back for part 4 or 5 to see what she adds.